back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video is going to be about the hens, and this is how I'm starting my day. We're loading up all their food, getting all the supplies, plenty more to load up. Starting our day, let's get a healthy meal. Breakfast is served. Okay, it's time to unload all the stuff. Yes, here is my girls. They're the reason why I spent all this money. Okay, these are getting along. No fighting. I'll let y'all out in a minute. Okay, so here I purchased this on Amazon. It's a 50-pound bag of feed, and I paid $50 for it for 50 pounds. Now, the question is it worth it? So let me open up this box so you can see which farm I got it from. Now here's the bag I'm talking about. Supposedly it's a small family-owned business, and like I said, 50 pounds for $50. So I seen online like people were saying, oh, it's just a conspiracy about the big box stores that sell the feed, where their feed is now your hens won't lay eggs when you give them the big box store feed. I don't know if that's true, but I'm going to find out because I purchased this, and since I've been purchasing from this company here, well, this small farm, they always laid eggs all winter long. The hens laid eggs. Probably 1 or 2 days they didn't when it dropped like below 20 out here, but other than that, faithfully they've always been laying, and healthy eggs as well, strong shell eggs. But I also, if you see my other videos, I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom of what I feed them and the mix. Now, from Tractor Supply, I purchased this. Here's the layer feed that I purchased from Tractor Supply. 40 pounds, $15. So I got 80 pounds of feed for $30 now. I'm getting more feed and at a cheaper price. $20 is good money, because I could use that to buy something else as well. And the question is that theory that I've seen online, is it true? I don't know, but I'll find out. I won't find out in a few months, but I will let you know. You want to find out, just subscribe and stay tuned, because I will in a few months post whether did it stop them from laying eggs. I don't think so. I just find that hard to believe, but I don't know. There's so many different conspiracies out there with the store-bought eggs, and the only way you can find out is just doing it yourself. So many conspiracies on the store-bought eggs and the feed that they give them and this and that and the third. Is it gets it's confusing. So there's only one way to find out, and that's by me feeding them the small farm product. And then, well, I already know that they don't stop laying eggs. So what I'll do is the next batch that I mix, I'll use the Tractor Supply feed instead and see what happens. Man, I could tell you this, I love this 3-quart scoop. Picked it up at the Tractor Supply. One of the best things I got for, I believe it was like $6. I was watching a YouTube channel called The Crocker's Life, and they were using one of these, and he was bragging about how much he likes it. And I said, I gotta give it a try, because I needed something better than what I was using. And yeah, it's a big game changer. Something so simple can make a huge difference. On the inside is labeled 1 quart, 2 quarts, and when you fill it up to the top, it's 3 quarts. Yeah, so we picked up this 3-in-1 multi-use feeder at the Tractor Supply, but you could get these also on Amazon. Excuse me, trying to work here. If you want to learn the mix that I do for my hens, I'll leave a link in the description if you're new to the channel. The video is called What I Feed My Chickens and How I Feed My Chickens. And I hope this video helps someone out there. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.